Sulphur Springs, a prestigious tree-lined road, just steps to the best that Ancaster has to offer, including local village amenities, the brand new Memorial Arts Centre, the renowned Hamilton Golf and Country Club, and the Dundas Valley Conservation hiking trails. This professionally renovated 3-bedroom bungalow provides complete 1-floor living with a main level primary suite and 2 spacious bedrooms on the upper level. Enjoy engineered hardwood and Italian porcelain flooring throughout, stunning renovated bathrooms, and a great room with a cathedral ceiling and a gas fireplace. This chef-inspired kitchen provides top-of-the-line appliances, quartz counters, in-floor radiant heating, and breathtaking views from every window. This custom-built home is set on a private forested, almost half-acre property with beautiful landscaping and surrounded by nature. Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 158 Sulphur Springs Road. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.